Hey guys, what's up? Today is Wednesday. Actually, it's in the morning. It's almost 11 o'clock. I just left the gym. I just did a Zumba and a body pump class. And right now I'm fixing to head to Publix. There's people around, so this is kind of weird. Okay, hang on. I'm fixing to head into Publix to grab a couple things before I go home. I need to grab some lunch, and I put my hair down from this bun that I had it in, and it has this cute little curl. I was like, yes, I will keep you. Anyways, I'm fixing to run in here into Publix real fast, grab a couple things, and then we're gonna get home. I've got some stuff that needs to be taken care of. We actually have a trip coming up. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Which is why you're here today. We are going to be packing and shopping in this vlog, and yeah, just getting ready for our trip. Today's Wednesday. We leave out on Saturday. I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, I will see you probably when we get home. And we're home. Yay! Okay, so fun fact on Wednesdays, I like to do the crock pot meals because we got church on Wednesday nights. Protein shake. There we go. Best kind. My favorite. Okay, so Wednesdays, crock pot. We have church. So I'm just gonna make some lunch, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get stuff set up with the crock pot, and then I need to shower and then go to town. I'm fixing to get my nails done. You see how nasty that looks? We lost this. No, okay. I lost this one last Saturday at the gym from a dumbbell hitting it. It hurt like crap. Like it's. Can you see that? Yeah, see that? That's a bruise. It's bruised. They're looking pretty bad. This one was pulling my hair when I ran my hands through it, so I just tore it off so it stopped pulling my hair. Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna do that today too. These are my favorite too. Yes, that's what I'm for lunch. Okay, we are done with, let me flip you around. Okay, here we go. We got everything in there. Yum. Oh, I've also started Steven some lunch. And then after I get this, I'm gonna make his lunch, and then I'm gonna go ahead and shower and all that fun stuff. What am I looking for? Chips. There we go. And I'm back. Fresh, clean, showered, fresh makeup, fresh nails. Yes. I did go. I went ahead and went to the salon. Right now I'm sitting outside Marshall's. The salon that I go to is right next door. So I need to grab some suitcases, like carry-on suitcases for the kids. Ellie has one that she has outgrown. It's a little tiny one. It's not big enough to hold her clothes for 7 days. I think Lillian has one, and then Gavin, his is too big for a carry-on, so I need to get him a smaller one. So I'm just gonna go look for some suitcases for our trip. I think Gavin said that he needs another pair of trunks. I know he has one pair. I'll see what they have. It's September. I know they had some bathing suits on clearance like 2 weeks ago, maybe. So they might have some stuff. I don't know. But my main goal today is suitcases, and Steven needs some shorts. He is not outgrown, but they're just in bad shape. He needs new ones. They need to be replaced. Anyway, so yeah, let's go into Marshall's and see what we can find. Back in the car. Okay, Marshall's did not have just what I was looking for. They had the blue ones. I didn't want a colorful one. I wanted like a neutral, like a black or a beige, or super basic. And then the two black ones that I saw, I didn't like the material of them. Like, they were not sturdy at all. They were very mushy. So it's almost like a duffel bag on wheels with the pop-up handle. Not for $50 at Marshall's. So I'm here at Kohl's. I'm gonna go in, check this out. Also, they didn't have any swimming trunks or like any swimming stuff left. I guess the past 2 weeks, it is so hot in my car. My goodness. Yeah, I guess they have been wiped out from all of their leftover summer stuff. So if it's gonna head into Kohl's, fingers crossed I can at least find Steven some shorts. Yeah, so see you probably in the store. Hey y'all, I'm back in the car. So, here's the deal. I ended up getting 3 suitcases. Yeah. I got a black one for Gavin, and then I went ahead and grabbed both of those 2 colorful galaxy looking ones for the girls. Lillian has one. Hers is old. It used to be mine a long time ago. And then it's falling apart. It's like crackling and busted up on the inside. I mean, yes, she could still use it, but I decided to go ahead and get her a new one as well. So now they are all set with brand new suitcases. They did not have any boys swimming stuff. They had a lot of girl stuff, like women's stuff. They didn't have any in the men's, but I did find some shorts. I've never been in Kohl's before. Well, that's a lie. I've been in there once right before we went to our Jamaica trip whenever we were in Texas, but that was the last time I went in there. This is literally the second time that I've been into a Kohl's store, and they've got some pretty cool stuff in there. It kind of reminds me of a department store that we had in our town whenever we were growing up. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to have to go back in there someday. They're starting to put out their fall decorations. I am so excited. I don't know, every time we buy a new house and redecorate and set up and everything, I always feel the need to go buy new decorations, like new fall stuff. So that should be coming soon, because I haven't done a fall haul decorations, decor, whatever you want to call it, since we moved into the Hot Springs house. So new house, new stuff, keep your eye out for that one. It is getting close time for me to get my kids from school, so I'm fixing to get off here and hit the road, and yeah, see you soon. And we've made it back home. So, well, I say I've made it back home. It's almost time for me to go grab my kids from school. I do have a few minutes. I went ahead and pulled the rail out and started putting stuff on it for our trip. Probably not going to get everything packed like in the suitcases today. That will probably be tomorrow. But I do want to go ahead and start pulling pieces out just so we can have it all here in front of us, and then I'll let Steven go through and he'll say yes, no, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so that's what I'm about to do, is go through my closet and pull stuff out.
This is so cool! Now we just need to get a rolling backpack. We need a rolling backpack. We need a rolling backpack.
I would say they like them. Yay! Good morning, everyone. Okay, today is Friday. Yes, I haven't spoken to you in a while. Actually, to be completely honest, I was gonna close out I can't even get my words together. Holy crap, I need another cup of coffee. I was gonna close out this vlog the other night, and I did a skincare, like a nighttime skincare, whatever, and then I was like, I hope you enjoyed it, blah, blah, blah. And then today, Friday, I just uploaded a blog post, and I was like, well, let me check on my little video clips, whatever. So I saw it, and the lighting was horrible. It was done right here in this very spot, and I didn't have my ring light out, and it was dark outside because it was nighttime. And I was like, this is garbage. So I deleted it, and here we are. 2 days later, it's Friday. And actually, whenever I started packing, I just kind of did a little bit. I didn't even actually put anything in my suitcases. So today, that's what we're gonna do. That's how we're gonna finish this off. I am just gonna go ahead and put stuff in my suitcases, and in my kids. Like, we gotta get everything together. Like, we leave, I think we have to leave here at like 5 a.m., to get to the airport, blah, blah, blah. So that's what we're doing today. I did go ahead and put on a foundation just so that it wasn't so red-faced. I am fixing to do a little bit of makeup, probably throw you on a time lapse. I got some clothes in the laundry or in the wash. So today is gonna be an at-home day, but it's definitely gonna be a busy one, especially since Mom always ends up being the one packing for everyone, including my man-child husband. So let me put on a little bit of makeup also. Today, first time ever, actually not, okay, so yesterday, I bought this. First time ever trying a Kylie Cosmetics anything. I went into, hang on, where's it at? Oh, no, there it is. Okay, so I went into Ulta yesterday to get some more foundation because I am almost out, and I didn't want to run out while we're, at the beach. That's not something that I wanted to concern myself with. So I went ahead and grabbed one of these, and for years I have been using the Kat Von D. They don't even call it that anymore. Anyways, I use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Bronze Contour. This one right here in Sombre. I think that's how you say it. And as you can see, it's empty. Anyways, I didn't go to Sephora. Sephora sells the little individual pans, and Ulta doesn't, apparently. So I kind of had to do what I had to do, and so I had them recommend something that was similar to that. And so here we are trying the Kylie Jenner. If I can get it open. Oh, still got this little thing in there. I haven't used it yet. She tested it on me in the store, and it's a lot warmer. It's a lot warmer than this one. Lighting. Okay. It's a lot warmer than this one, but when she put it on, I was like, yeah, that's not that bad. So we're gonna try that today. Sorry about all the backlight. I guess I could close this door. Maybe that would help. Is that better? Close the toilet room? Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's go for it. Here we go. First time trying the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer. Mmm. And I think later on I need to do a little self-tan. Every time we get ready to go to the beach, I always try my best to, like, you know, go to the tanning bed and get nice and tan. And then it never happens. I never end up doing that, like, ever. So we're gonna self-tan. There we go. It's very nice. I like this. I need to start stretching out with stuff like this. I don't know. I'm such a creature of habit. I am using, I don't even know what brand this is. What is this? Shayna B, I guess, in the Miami palette. I think I got this in one of my Ipsy bags. I've been using this one for a while. Yeah. Actually, I got one a while back. Well, not a while. I say a while back. It was like 2 months ago. And it was like onyx, I think. I don't know. It was in my Ipsy bag. And it broke. It was so pretty. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. And then I guess I'm going to dip into this Violet Voss just to do a little. Nothing major. This way, whenever I go get my kids from school later, I don't have to worry about it. Yeah. Anyways, that's what I'm doing. This into get some stuff. What is that? Oh, Steven's at the half bath. Here we go. All right, let me do some eyebrows and some mascara. And then I have to start packing. Like, not start packing. I have to finish packing.